So, how easy is it to get from Europe to Northern Africa? Well, we tested it, it's actually very easy. We just took the ferry from the southern part of Spain. It takes 1 hour and then we are in Northern Africa. This is a small town called Ceuta. It's on the African continent, but it's actually a part of Spain. So it's an autonomous town, autonomous city, part of Spain, part of Europe, part of the European Union. We use the euro as currency here. It feels like Spain, but it still feels like Africa. It's influenced by African and Arabic culture and architecture. And, well, it's a mix of everything. When we are on the European side, we go to the Rock of Gibraltar and we look across the Strait of Gibraltar and then we can see Africa. Same thing now, when we are in Africa, we can see the Rock of Gibraltar, it's just over there. And on clear days like this, it's no problem to look over the Strait of Gibraltar. And on cloudy days, of course, it's not possible. The Strait of Gibraltar is very heavy trafficked, much traffic, shipping lanes, and blah, 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 blah.
So now we're standing here on the northern part of Ceuta. And from here you can see Gibraltar.
Thank you. We'll be back with more. Bye. Adios.